What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoetainment today. Back at it again, man. We got another real review coming for you today on this particular pair right here. But we're gonna get to that in a second. It's fight night, man. Danny Garcia and Sean Porter are fighting tonight for all my boxing fans out there. Who you got, man? Who you going with? Let me know down in the comment section, man. I'd love to know. Realistically, I'm supposed to be reviewing my international flight 12s right now, but we had some complications today. If you haven't seen my upload from earlier about the international 12s, you can go check it out and see what really happened, what went down. But for those of you in the know, Adidas had a restock last week, and we were able to cop some gems. First up, I was able to go back and get the yellow and red pair of the HU Solars. If you haven't seen my review on these, go check it out. It's on my channel, man. Watch every video up there. Watch them all, so we're not gonna get into that. You wanna see a review on that shoe? Check that review out, and when you're done with that one, watch every damn thing else. But for the reason why we're here is these bad boys right here. And this is the Adidas Pharrell Williams HU Holi. This came from the Holi pack. And we're gonna get you an up close, detailed, real review in McFly fashion. The only way that McFly can do it. For those of y'all, is this your first time stopping by, man? We appreciate you dropping in on us and giving us a look. If you like what I'm doing over here, feel free to comment, subscribe, share the video. Bam! There it is, right there. And y'all know how we do over here in the land of McFly, man. We get you up close and personal. And here they are, man, up close and personal, these cotton candy things. The tie-dye greatness. I think I can live with that, the tie-dye greatness. I'm gonna give you a second here. We're gonna hop into this box. Now, I'm not sure if the box from the original release was like this. You know, since this is a restock, but I'm not really sure. You know, those other two HUs was my first pair, so I don't know if the box has been looking like this or not. But for all my legit checkers, naysayers and haters and all that, Adidas paper. This has got the little sticker in the bottom, like all the other ones that I've done the reviews on. No foo-foos over here, man. None of that fake. None of that. When the restock hit, man, I was trying to get the little green and orange pair, but it didn't work out in my favor. I took the L. But we were able to secure this bad boy. And if I was a female, man, I'd be all in on this. Let me back that up a little bit. But I feel like this shoe is too girly for a man's foot. But hey, if you can pull it off, you can pull it off. You got your purple, pink, and teal tie-dye patterns here. Up the upper, it says Species. You have your purple and gray 3M laces, as well as the tie-dye pattern cage. This is crazy, yo. That's dope. Like, insane. You got your thickety boost, that thicker than a Snicker boost. All black sole with your white shining through. Pink pull tab. This is not 3M like on the Solar pack. That is not 3M. I don't know if 3M would have helped it or would have hurt it though. You do get the extra set of laces. You see how polite Adidas is and how they do these laces? They're so nice. You know, Jordan Brand just circle them up and throw them in a bag. wrap them around each other. Or they give you a bag with some nice little tape around it. Why everybody can't do what they do? Little sticker. So you non-believers and naysayers, you know, gotta show all your tags. Somebody try to call you out or something. That shoe, this shoe, bruh, I have no idea what that is, but I know it was inspired by India. So if anybody knows, or I got any Indian subscribers, let me know what that means, man. I have no idea. Same thing with the cages. That biggity boost. Somebody might try to say something about the boost. Let me show the boost. Killing all the questions. Same thing. Dopest part of the shoe is that insole with all the body parts and all that on it. That's dope, man. So there you have it. A up close and personal look with the Pharrell Williams HU Holies. Let me know what you think about them, man, in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, as always, like, comment, subscribe. You can share that thing. Let everybody know who you watching, man. The hardest working man in shoe-tainment. Give me my credit. But until next time, I'll holla at you.